What's good, y'all? I'm back with another video. I know y'all wondering, like, where did she go? Like, where'd she go? I started a new job. That job be having me tired. I work at a behavior health place. I'm a safety specialist. When I say I be tired, I get off at 5:30 and I just be like, I can't do nothing. My kids be running on me and jumping and like, come on, mommy, let's play. And I be like, oh no, I can't even do it. But yeah, this video is gonna be about, like, you know, me updating you guys why I've been missing in action. Also, I started a channel with my husband. It's called Cherish, and the Beast. It'll be in the description below if you want to follow. If you guys like pranks and, you know, couple stuff and challenges. But yeah, I'm just about to just fix my eyebrows a little bit. I'm trying to let them grow back because during quarantine I made them too thin, and you know my eyebrows really come down here. They're thick. I like thick eyebrows. I don't like them thin. But yeah, I'm just gonna try to pick the hairs that's right there. I've been missing, like, putting on my makeup. I've been looking so ugly, like, y'all just don't know. It's just so hard working. I was fine with working at nights, but like during the daytime, it's like, fuck. I get home, I go to sleep. Like, I can't do it. So yeah, I'm gonna start with my eyebrows and just, you know, try to go. Basically, I'm gonna try to go around them because I need them to grow back. Like, I'm not even playing. Like, for real. I just need them to come back. They are taking so long to come back. It's just don't make no sense. See, like this. Oof, baby. This one's fine. Like, it's going good. Alright, so I'm gonna try out this eye primer. Check it out. See what it's all about. So these is big. Lord have mercy. And I got them stuck together. I got glue all over my hand. Might have to go back to the individual ones. But yeah, these are some sweeties. This little brush. So we gonna, Lord have mercy. Things is wild. Look at that. Should have put them on first. Got glue everywhere. Alright, so this is it. Simple, plain looking makeup. Yeah. So I'm back, y'all. I'm gonna try to make as much videos as I can with this work schedule. I might be changing my work schedule pretty soon, but yeah, I'm gonna try to make more videos and check out the other channels below. I just want to thank all my supporters. Like, look, I only got 5 of them, okay? I got 5 of them. I want to thank all y'all. But it's been real. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.